Hey, welcome to Brighter Rays. This week we're looking at a study called Call His Name Jesus. And we're looking at Matthew 1:21. It is the Christmas season. Christmas is coming up here pretty quick. And so we're going to take a look at one verse from the story of the life and the birth of Jesus Christ. Now, as we look at Matthew 1:21, names are important. We understand this. When we name our children, we are careful about, what we call them. We know that in some sense, what we name our children will have an impact on their lives. Likewise, if you start a company, what you name that company will be scrutinized by the public. People are going to look at it. What does that mean? Wow. They're going to make connections with other stuff that they know. So names are important. It says something about what you do. It says something about who you are. And we know that the world knows when the angel came and said, "You shall call his name Jesus," that meant something. The name of Jesus means something, and everyone in the whole world knows that that's the case. There's certain implications that come with the name Jesus. There is a comfort and a judgment that comes with that name. It's a name that everyone must and will hear. It's a name, it's not just for the elite, it's not just for the rich, the ruling class, but every household in the world. Jesus is the name of the one that was spoken of long ago. "I have granted help to one who is mighty. I have exalted one chosen from the people." When the name was first heard by Joseph, he was an obscure carpenter in a backwoods town of Nazareth. He was betrothed to a godly woman, but there was nothing out of the ordinary with her. That is, until she became pregnant. He was just a man unwilling to leave his betrothed to shame. But as he thought about what to do, the angel appeared to him in a dream and told him not to be afraid. A child from God had come. The name of Jesus would be linked forever to fearing not. No one else's name could drive away fear like the name of Jesus. The name was given before anyone had even laid their eyes on him. When he was born, he was unlike anyone that had ever been born before. He was human, fully human, but not corrupted. He was made like us. He was made just like we are, but yet he would not sin. He is the Holy One, the Anointed, the Son of God, the Son of Man. The name of Jesus that the world had heard before would be forever changed, just as humanity would be forever changed. This week I want to examine 5 different things about the name of Jesus. His name is the only one given by which man must be saved, and so there is a great importance that is attached to this dream of Joseph and the receiving and the delivery of the name by the angel. And so that's what we're going to be looking at this week. So come back next time and we'll begin to explore this idea of Jesus' name. And we're going to take a look at the fact that it's a God-given name and it's God-explained. So we don't have to guess what the name of Jesus means. God told us. So come back next time, we'll get started on it.